Welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we are going to install theme into Shopify store with different methods. The first method, first of all, you have to go to online store here. Just click on it and by default it will be opening on themes. Okay, here you see by default Dawn theme is installed. On every store by default Dawn theme is installed and it looks like this. So now if you want to install a new theme on Shopify, the first method is through add the theme through zip file. So if you have zip file available, you can click on it, add on it, and from here you can go to the zip file. You already have the theme. Okay, we do have this zip file available of theme. We will be clicking on upload. This is the first method you can install a theme by installing a zip file of the theme you have already. So now you see the turbo theme is installing with the help of zip file by clicking on here in the theme library. Now this is installed. If you publish it, it will be something like this. You have to click on publish and instead of done, now turbo theme has been installed and our store looks like this, the new look of the new theme. Now you see this is the new theme. We have to customize it. We already have customization videos available on our this YouTube Ecom Premium. And now the second method is you can install a theme by visiting Shopify Theme Store or by selecting from the themes available as a preview as a free themes here OS 2.0 themes. You just simply have to click on add it, and once you have clicked add, it will be adding here like this. And after installation of theme into your store, you can simply publish it, and we'll be now publishing it. And now the third method is to, like, after this theme publication, we will be going to Shopify Theme Store for installing any of theme. Okay, now this theme has been installed, like is being installing. Okay, now you see we have published the Sense theme is installed, and you can also see your store new look on the Sense theme. It will be look like this, right? So now if you want to install a theme through Shopify Theme Store, you have to simply click here, visit Theme Store. It will be open like this. If you have already logged in into your Shopify, it will ask you to log in, and with the help of Shopify ID login, you will be popped in into the Shopify theme store. So here you see there are a lot of themes, free themes. First of all, have a look at, we will be looking at free themes, Spotlight, Refresh. These are the free themes provided by Shopify basically. And you can use these for your stores. And there are paid themes available in the Shopify theme store, and that worth having this price, and you can have different features. Every theme is designed for some different niche. Just like here you see color watches, a stick, and you see here are the categories on the left side. You can simply just go to there and buy that theme, or you can also try the demo by looking at the view demo store, or you can also try that theme just like here by clicking here. You see here is the demo of the theme you are going to install for one of your niche, and you can also click on try theme and it will be added into your store like this, adding Brava theme trial to your online store themes. So this is Brava theme. Here once the trial has been added into your store, it will be something look like this. You can simply go here and you can refresh your admin bar of your Shopify theme store, and on the themes you see the Brava theme trial has been added, and you can simply buy it, or you can simply preview it or customize it. After customization you can buy and use the paid themes like this on your store. So this is one of the free tutorial for how you can install and customize themes. Basically how to install themes with the help of zip file, with the help of free themes, with the help of Shopify theme store. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube Ecom Premium. Thank you so much. Bye bye.